How to find your wallet address with Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can find your wallet address with Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to find your wallet address with Trust Wallet, wallet address means that if someone is trying to send you a certain cryptocurrency, you need to copy the wallet address of that cryptocurrency, which means that if someone is trying to send you Bitcoin, in order for them to send you need to give them a Bitcoin wallet address, not other cryptocurrency addresses, but specifically of Bitcoin. Now, to find your wallet addresses, you have to go to the receive section. So as we spoke, if they're trying to send you Bitcoin, you have to select Bitcoin here, and this is your Bitcoin wallet address. Similarly, you come back, you want for Ethereum, this is your Ethereum wallet address. Similarly, for Matic or XRP, BNB or ACA or AE or BLD, whatever else it is that they're trying to send, you need to simply give them the wallet address and they'll be able to send you. And this is how you can find your wallet address with Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.